Hey guys, Justin from Cooking with Coit here. Today I'm going to show you how to make my absolute most favorite Chinese recipe. This is cashew chicken. Now the twist we're going to do on this recipe is that we're going to do the whole thing in the pressure cooker. So from start to finish, this is only going to take you about 20 minutes. I am super excited. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is cut all of our vegetables into bite-sized pieces. The ideal size of these chili peppers should be around the size of how you cut the zucchini. Now I'm gonna grate the ginger, and the easiest way to get the skin off the ginger is to just take a teaspoon and just really push down and kind of peel it off, just like so. Now that I've got the skin off, I'm going to grate the ginger. I have this really cool little mini grater that has been very useful, so if you don't have one, I suggest you get one. Always be careful with your fingers. It can be very tempting to try to grate the entire piece, but once it gets really small, you run the risk of scraping the skin right off your fingers, so be careful. I'm gonna put the minced ginger in this little bowl, and after I'm done mincing the garlic, I'm gonna add that to the bowl as well, and this is gonna be set aside for the sauce. Next, I'm gonna slice my green onion, and this is really just for a garnish, so it's totally optional. With all of our vegetables cut and set aside, now we're gonna work on the chicken. So the goal here is to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. I'm first cutting thin strips of the chicken, and then I'm gonna cut it the other way to make the perfect cube. With our chicken cut into perfect bite-sized pieces, now I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Next thing we're gonna do is set the pressure cooker to browning mode, and if you don't have browning on yours, if you have an Instant Pot for example, you can just set it to saute. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil, and now I wanna brown the chicken on all sides. While the chicken's cooking in the pressure cooker, I'm gonna combine all the ingredients to make the sauce. The chicken is just about finished, so I'm gonna take it out, put it in a bowl, and set it aside. I'm gonna put another tablespoon of oil into the pressure cooker, and then I'm gonna saute the vegetables and the cashews all together. Now I'm gonna add the chicken back into the pressure cooker and mix it together with the vegetables. The last step before we pressure cook everything together is to add the sauce on top of the chicken and vegetables. Now I'm gonna put the lid on the pressure cooker and set it to cook on high pressure for 6 minutes. The pressure cooker just finished the 6-minute countdown. I am so excited to see how this came out. Let's give it a try. Ooh, beautiful. Looks so good. It smells amazing. I love the color. It's all just great. Okay, let's take some out and give it a try. That is so perfect. What I love about this recipe is that you get the crunchy and soft. You get the soft from the chicken and the vegetables, and you get a little bit of the crunch from the cashews. You are absolutely gonna love it. Please, please, please make this tonight. If you like this video and you wanna see many more amazing recipes just like this one, hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.